Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths S1. This is video number 2 on Surds, and we will understand addition and subtraction on Surds. In the previous video, we have seen multiplication and division and what Surds are. So now let's see here. And by the way, the link of all the 4 videos on Surds will be in the description below. So if you see here, I have taken a few examples and let me explain it to you. So we know surds are those roots which cannot be simplified further. So if I see example number 1, 3 root 2 and 4 root 2. When we are adding up, 3 and 4 are rational numbers. They will add up and it will become 7. And root 2 will be written as it is. Now you can understand this if for your concept. When you write algebra, for example, 3x plus 4x, right? So how do you treat this as like terms? And you add the coefficient 4 and 3, 7, and it becomes 8, right? Or if you write it as a factorization form, it becomes 3 plus 4, and then it becomes 7x. So exactly the same concept we are applying here. When in the term the surd is same, we can add the rational numbers which are written outside. Let's see example number 2. So root 3 and root 3 same in these terms. So I can add 5 and 4, my mistake here. 5 and 4 will be equals to what? 5 plus 4 is 9. Absolutely right. Now let's see example 3. Few examples I have already solved, but few I'll solve in front of you. So in example 3 again, the root is same, root 5 and root 5. So the rational numbers I will subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is 4 times root 5. Let's do 48 here. So 48, first of all, you have to simplify. So suppose I know 12 times 4 is 48. And then 27 can be written as 9 times 3. So root 4 can be written as 2. And 12 can be further split into 4 3s are 12. Right? And here root 9 and root 3, because we know the rule, we have seen in the previous case that root a times b can be written as root a and root b separately. So root 9 can be written as 3 and root 3 will remain as it is. Here root 4 can be written as 2. So there is 2 already outside. It will multiply by it. So it will become what? 4 root 3. Right? Now in this form, root 3 is common, is same. Here at a glance, nothing was common. So now I can subtract the real number. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 1 root 3 can be written as just root 3. Okay. So now let's see 2 more. Now 48 we have seen can be written in the simplified form as 4 root 3. Right? We have just seen. So instead of this 43, I can write here 4 root 3. Of course, if it is a separate question, you will show the steps, but not necessary. If you write directly like this simplified, that is also fine. And 12 can be written as, we have seen 12 can be written as 4 times 3, which is 2 root 3. And here 4 will multiply by 3. Now in these terms, root 3 is same. So I can add 12 plus 2, 14 root 3. Now in this case, root 5 and root 50 are not same. They are different. So I need to first of all simplify. Okay. So, and that's why I cannot do 2 plus 2 is 4, right? In this case, I cannot do it. So let me write this as it is. And let me simplify it. 50. 50 is 10 times 2, but this will not help me. So 25 times 2 will be better idea, because 25 is a perfect square number. Okay, so it is 2 root 5, and I know root 25 can be written as 5. We have seen the multiplication examples, many examples in the previous video 1. So that's why I'm applying very directly here, quickly. Oh, but this is not helping me, right? So what should I do then? Because this is root 2 inside here, and again the roots are not same. So if roots are not same, what will I do? Should I leave it like this? This is a simplified form of it. Every time it will not be changed into single term. Okay, so this is your final answer. Now you have to check your understanding. I have given you here the same Surds problem, but in the form of a word problem. Because in video 1 we have already solved multiplication and division, and now we have seen addition, subtraction. So you can put the video on pause here and solve this question. I have shown you the solution on the next page. Okay, so let me move on, otherwise video will get longer. So you can pause the video and solve this question. Okay, so we know that the perimeter is what? Of a rectangle is 2 times length into width. You can see here I have written the formula, just a minute. Okay, and then length I'm taking it as this and width as this. You can take it other way around also, no problem. So after substitution I see root 2 is same in both the terms. When there is no rational number outside, it is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is how I will get my perimeter, and 6 times 2 is 12. Final answer, don't forget to write in this space given to you. And area is what? Length into width. So I have written this thing here. 2 times 2 is 4. So you got the area also. So at this I will end the video. In the video number 3 I will solve one challenging question, this one, and I will discuss it with you. If any one of you want to try it out yourself first, you can, but you will watch the video to see the solution and the explanation. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.